Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel. If you're tired of hunting for SIM cards in every country you visit or dealing with expensive roaming charges, this video is for you. In this video, we are diving into something super cool and techy, eSIMs. So if you are into travel or just love staying connected, stick around. Let's start with the basics. So what is an eSIM? Well, eSIM stands for embedded SIM. Unlike traditional SIM cards which are physical and need to be inserted into your phone, an eSIM is built directly into your device. Imagine this. No more fumbling with tiny SIM cards or worrying about losing them. With eSIM technology, you get all the benefits of a traditional SIM card without the hassle. In this video, we'll be talking about Airalo and direct providers, which you can use to activate eSIM. But before you dive in, you need to make sure your phone supports eSIM. I've included a list of compatible phones both in description and at the end of the video. Feel free to take a look. Now let's talk about Airalo. Airalo is a global eSIM store that lets you purchase and activate eSIM data plans from over 200 countries. It's super handy and getting started is super easy. First, download the Airalo app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and select the country that you want to visit. If you don't see your destination, don't be worried as it's listed the popular countries here. You can easily search the country name and select it. As you can see, we are checking the plans for Japan as it's our destination country. After you selected the plan, you can proceed with the payment. After purchasing, no need to wait or go to a store. Just follow the setup instructions in the app and you'll be connected in minutes. Let's do this together. Now select View eSIM Details and then View Instruction. Now you just need to select Install eSIM and follow the instruction. To make sure your eSIM data plan starts exactly when you need it, activate your eSIM a day or two before your trip. This way your plan will be live right when you arrive, even if you are not yet at your destination. Select Continue and then select your default line which you want to use to call and send messages to people. And this is your mobile plan that you want to use for iMessage and FaceTime. As you can see, the eSIM has been successfully installed. Now it's time to turn on the new line. From Settings, select Mobile and then your new line. We just name it Travel. You just need to turn this line on. And the best part, you can manage and monitor your data usage directly from the app. And you can buy the top-up packages from the same page. But if you prefer a more traditional way, you can also get eSIMs from direct providers. You'll need to contact them directly, either online or in a store to set it up. Now let's talk about the top direct eSIM providers in Japan. First, we have NTT Docomo. This is one of Japan's largest and most reliable carriers. They offer a range of eSIM plans for both short-term and long-term use. Docomo's network is extensive, so you'll get great coverage even in more remote areas. Next is SoftBank, another major player in Japan. SoftBank offers a variety of plans including unlimited data options, budget-friendly choices, and specialized plans for business users. You can select a plan based on your data needs, calling requirements, and budget. Then we have AU by KDDI. AU offers flexible eSIM plans with a strong network coverage and reliable service. They provide several choices for data and voice services, making it a solid option for any type of stay in Japan. Lastly, Rakuten Mobile is worth mentioning. Rakuten offers competitive rates and has been expanding its network coverage. Their eSIM plans are budget-friendly and come with decent data packages. The procedure steps are almost the same as those we use for Airalo. You just need to scan the QR code and follow the instruction. Select your default line which you want to use to call and send messages to people. And you just need to turn this new line on. And this is about all eSIM-compatible devices. Thanks everyone for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe into our channel for more travel tips. Happy travel everyone!